Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Jovey, and today we are doing a very exciting video. As you can tell from the title, yes, our channel just got monetized. Video, I would like to talk to you about the whole process and also give you a bit of insight into how my YouTube journey has been like. So if you are a new YouTuber or you are just planning to create your own channel, this video might be helpful for you. So just a bit of a background about my channel. I created mine year 2013 pero hindi pa ako nag-upload ng videos noon. Year 2017, nabuntis ako kay Paris and I got into YouTube again kasi nag-maternity leave ako, and then I have nothing to do but just, you know, stay at home. Although, ginamit ko lang yung YouTube account ko for watching videos kasi hindi pa nga ako nag-upload ng mga videos noon. So, year 2019, dumating yung sister Mimi ko dito sa Australia. She was the one na nag-push talaga sa akin na mag-start mag-upload ng mga videos sa YouTube channel ko. Kasi sabi niya, nakita daw niya na may potential ako. And guys, I always upload photos and videos on my Facebook like almost every day. So, I bit the bullet. Still remember when I uploaded my first vlog dito sa channel ko. That was 1st of May 2019, and yes, malapit na tayong mag 1 year dito sa YouTube. And yeah, the rest is just history. So now let's talk about the steps on how to get your channel monetized. So first step, you have to accept the YouTube Partner Program. You have to achieve 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours, which is equivalent to 240,000 minutes. Watch hours means kung gaano katagal nag-stay or nag-view yung manonood mo sa videos mo. So, it's very important to create a very good content para manood yung viewer mo from start to finish. But, kailangan yung ma-achieve yung 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months o 365 days. Kasi, pag lumagpas na ng 1 year at hindi nyo pa na-reach yung 4,000 watch hours, bababa na naman yung watch hours nyo. So, that's why you have to keep the videos coming. Hindi madali ang magkaroon ng 4,000 watch hours. That's why I am saying consistency is the key. Kailangan mo talagang mag-upload ng videos para marami yung mapapanood ng mga viewers mo. Kasi can you imagine, if you only have 1 or 2 or 3 videos in your channel, how can you achieve the 4,000 watch hours? So in my case, yung ginawa ko, since nag-start akong mag-upload ng videos May 2019, I have been uploading videos like almost every day. And I made sure na lahat ng mga videos na in-upload ko are all mine. It means na hindi ko din-download from other sites or from YouTube and in-upload ko ulit. Second, kailangan mong gumawa ng Google AdSense account. And one thing to note, make sure na yung address na ilalagay mo sa account mo is yung address na madaling matuntun. Kasi, if ever na ma-monetize na yung account mo, doon isi-send ng YouTube yung payment mo. Once na-achieve mo na yung 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your account will be now in progress. Sa stage na to, i-review na ng YouTube yung channel mo kung wala ka bang copyright strikes or community strikes, yung mga ganun. Kaya, you have to be very careful when you upload videos. You have to make sure that it's all yours and hindi reused yung content mo. Kasi, malalaman din talaga ni YouTube kung yung mga videos na ina-upload mo ay hindi sa'yo. So, now that your account is in progress, the question is, gaano katagal bago i-approve ni YouTube yung channel mo? Everyone's channel is different. My friend Loli's family, hi Dai! So, yung account niya na-approve agad in 3 days, which is very lucky of her, right? Kasi alam ko may mga tao na naghihintay ng approval nila kahit 1 month, 2 months, kahit 3 months, naghihintay pa rin sila ng approval. In my case, mine got approved in 15 days. So, April 3 nung na-reach ko yung 4,000 watch hours ko. And this is what it looks like, yung inopen ko yung YouTube studio ko. I thought na matatagalan pa siya kasi may note na nakalagay because of the pandemic nga na nangyayari ngayon. It might take a while for YouTube to review my channel. So I thought it's okay, I'm just gonna wait. But I didn't expect it to happen in 15 days. So ito yung email na natanggap ko from YouTube guys nung na-approve na yung channel ko. So, it was 18th of April. Pagkagising ko, tinignan ko yung phone ko. At yan yung bumungad sa akin. I was teary. I was very happy. And hinag ko talaga si Mike straight away, guys. Kasi, parang hindi ko in-expect. Kasi nga, diba, may note na nakasabing it might take a while for YouTube to review your channel. And then, within 15 days, na-approve na yung channel ko, guys. I was very happy. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa sister Mimi ko. Siya talaga yung unang naniwala sa kakayahan ng atin niya na makakagawa ng mga YouTube videos. Thank you, Mingay, for pushing atin to do this. Because kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi talaga ako mag-start ng YouTube. Ikaw talaga yung nag-push talaga sa akin. Kaya, thank you very much. And also, thank you to Mike for his patience and also for his support. Kasi, guys, everywhere pumunta ako, guys, always ko dala yung phone ko, always ko dala yung camera ko kasi I want to create a content for everyone. And, minsan hindi ko na siya napapansin kasi yun, video na lang ako ng video. Thank you so much, Bob, for supporting me on doing what I love. And thank you also sa mama ko na palaging nanonood ng mga videos. Minsan, pag hindi ako nakakapag-upload, min-message niya ako kung bakit wala akong upload. Kaya, thank you, Ma. Please don't skip the ads. And thank you, Sis Kaya Costa. Since the beginning, nandyan ka. Always kang nanonood. Always kang nagko-comment sa mga videos ko. And thank you to Lolis family. Day, salamat jud kaayo, Day. Thank you so much for helping me with everything regarding YouTube. And also, thank you for the friendship kasi naging magkaibigan tayo through YouTube, which is, you know, also special for me. At para sa ating mga mahal na subscribers, thank you very much for watching our videos. I promise na mas dadamihan ko pa at mas gagandahan ko pa ang susunod nating mga videos. And sana patuloy nyo pa rin suportahan yung mga videos ko. And also, as a way of saying thank you to all my subscribers, gagawa ko ng giveaway dito sa aking channel very soon. So, stay tuned for that. Ang masasabi ko sa mga nagsa-start pa lang, keep doing what you're doing. Sa mga nagpaplano pa lang na gumawa ng kanilang mga channel, seriously, what are you waiting for? Like, do it now na. Kasi if you wait for another week or for another month, you are just wasting the time. The sooner you start, the better. This is the only thing that I can tell you guys. Hard work pays off. So, keep working on your dreams. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope na nagustuhan nyo and also sana may natutunan kayo from this video, guys, kahit konti. If you have any questions about getting your YouTube channel monetized or anything, just let me know. Hit me up, comment in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you straight away. Please give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also for more videos because I try so hard to upload every single day. But before I'm gonna say bye, I'm just gonna do a little bit of shout out sa mga bagong nag-comment sa videos natin. First, Team Pagkiasan, Rica Montesilio, Madel Kilaton, Jillian Barona, Travelers Peak, Kay Acosta, hi sis, Jessica Loles, hi Day, Rex Ball TV, Janet Gordon, meron pa ba? Odessa Donghill, Isa Channel, Christine Biboso, Savannah V, ES Vlogs, Little Miss Isai, hi Jane, I Mwakisachi, Dimply Bean, our sister Jess Shiel, and M's Journey, Mitchai Kads, Mika Gandahan, Joy Fam, hi Joy, Argel Tapal, Mary Jane Turno, Gisnon Opsyar, among silingan, Lohan Pasadas, Pretty Gladys, Mac and Abby, Alice Cat, Mr. Ken Dennis, oh my god, hi, fangirling lang, Princess Silanga, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!